Hey guys, welcome to Zest to Learn. Today we are going to see English explanation for the sixth chapter in Deepakam. Shashtaha Pataha. Saha Eva Mahan Chitrakaraha. What is the meaning of this lesson name? Saha. When we say Saha, Saha means we are pointing out something far away, a person something far away in a third person, that is a Pratham Purush. In pulling male gender, we will say it is a Saha. So Saha is just a he, but in Sanskrit it is Pratham Purush, a pulling shabd for pointing something far away. Saha. Eva Mahan Chitrakaraha. Mahan means greatest. Chitrakaraha is painter. So we are saying he is the greatest painter. So someone here they are pointing out as a greatest painter and explaining about this lesson. Let's move on to this lesson. So this is the image of the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan is a place in Delhi where president resides, where president live. So Udyanasya Chitram Upari Pradishishtam. So the picture of the garden is shown above. Etat Rashtrapati Bhavanasya Parisare Vidyamanam Amrit Udyanam Asti. So this is the garden located on the premises of the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Atra Shatadik Prakarani Patal Pushpani Santi. Shatatik means 100. So there, atra means there more than 100 Patal Pushpani means rose. More than 100 types of roses are present in the garden in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Samanyataha, similarly, Pancha Sahasradikani, more than 5,000. Shrat Pushpani cha Ritu Pushpani cha Santi. So the seasonal flowers are there of more than 5,000 types. What are the seasons? Autumn, spring, rainy. So based on the seasons there will be different kind of flowers grown there. So there will be Pancha Sahasradikani, more than 5,000 flower types are there. Ramaniyaha Nisarga Vividau Varne Sarvesham Chintam Akarshit. So it attracts the mind. It has various types of beautiful color flowers present, and it is the gift of the nature, they are saying. Tadarshanam Varnanam Pasichyam Asmin Pate Prapnumaha. So we will see more about this in this lesson. Let's move on to the lesson. So this is a conversation between the teacher and the students. Shikshakaha means teacher and the students' names are given as a conversation. So what the teacher is saying, Vayam atra kim pashyamaha. Students, what you have seen in the garden. Shraddha is the name of a student. She is saying Sarvatra Vividani Pushpani. We have seen different types of flowers. Pushpani is flowers. Haritani Parnani. Haritani means green. Parnani is leaves. We have seen green leaves. Kagaha means birds. Jantavaha means animals. So we have seen Pushpani flowers. Haritani Partani, that is the green leaves. Kagaha birds. Jantavaha animals. We have seen all these. Cha Santi iti Pashyamaha. We have seen all these things. What is teacher saying? Satyam, correct. Evama Tesha Varnaha Api Vividaha. So you have seen all these things with the different colors. As Shraddha said, Yata Shraddha Vadati Haritani Parnani. As Shraddha said, it's a green leaf. What is the color of the leaf? He is asking. Atra Parnasya Kaha Varnaha. So Parnasya means leaf. Leaf is of what color? So all students survey. All together they are shouting as Haritaha. Chatraha means all students. So they are saying as Haritaha, that is a green color. So how we are saying it to be Chatraha means only one student is Chatraha. Two student is Chatre. More than two students is it is Chatraha. Then again Shraddha is saying Atra Vrikshasya Upari Shukaha. So there in the tree, Vrikshasya is tree, Upari means in the top, Shukaha Asti. There means atra. Asti is. There is. Shukaha means parrot. Parrot in the top of the tree. Upari vikshayaha means in the top of the tree. So there is a parrot in the top of the tree. Saha api harita varne shobate. So that is also green color. Harita varne. Varnaha means color. Harita means green. So it is a green color. Harita varnena shobate. So shikshakaha in a soft manner he is saying Shraddhe Tava Ishtavarna Harite Iti Chityame. I think your favorite color is green. Ishtavarna means the favorite likable color is green because Atta so that eva harita varne eva pashyasi kalu. So you are seeing everything green and saying it. So first thing comes into your eyes which gets seen is green color. So I think your favorite color is green, he is saying, teacher is saying. So for the next Meda is another student. He is saying Acharya, teacher. Atra kakaha api asti. Atra means there. Asti is. There is. Api means also. There is also kakaha. Kakaha means crow. So atra kakaha api asti means there is also crow. Yasya varnaha krishnaha. That color is black. Krishnaha means black color. Then evam Pikasya api varne krishnaha. There is also cuckoo, koel, that is also black in color. Teacher is saying uttamam niriksham bhavatyaha. So what you are saying is correct. Chatraha, students, pashyantu atra pushpani api santi. So you can see different kinds of flowers. And Pashyatu Manish Pashyatu Japa Pushpam. He is pointing Manish and asking him to see the Japa Pushpam. Japa Pushpam is hibiscus. He is asking what is the color of it. Ashya Varnaha Kaha. What is the color of it? So Manish is saying Rakta Varnaha. Varnaha means color. Rakta means red. So red color Acharya. He is saying teacher it's red color. Shukasya Chanchuhu. Shukaha means what we know, it is a parrot. Shukaha means parrot. So what Chanchuhu means beak. He is saying parrot's beak color is also. Api means also. Also it is Raktavarna. Raktavarna means red color. Patal Pushpampam api Raktavarne Yuktam. Patal Pushpampam means rose flower. Rose flower is also in red color. So he is giving three different red color items. One is hibiscus. Hibiscus is Japa Pushpam. Next is Shukasya Chanchuhu. That is beak of the parrot. Patal Pushpam is rose. Next, teacher is saying Shobhanam. Very good. Chitra Varnaha Shukaha Api Atra Santi Iti Jatanti Kim. So you guys know how many colors of parrots are there. You can see many different colors of parrot here. Teacher is saying Aditya is saying, Acharya, we also want to see all those different types of parrots. He is very interested and he is saying, Vayam Drishtam Ichamaha. He wished to see those parrots. So for that what teacher is saying? So here teacher is saying, Tadrishan Shukanam Vayam Prayaha Jantushalayam Pashyamaha. Jantushalayam means zoo. So we can see all different types of parrot and its colors in zoo. Tesham Pakshaha. Pakshaha means its feathers are of different colors. What are the colors? Neelam, Pitam, Raktam, Cha Bhavanti. So Neelaha means blue color, Pitaha means that is a yellow color, Raktaha means red color. So you can see the feathers Pakshaha in different colors for the peacock. So Manjulaha says Ashcharya Patal Pushpani Api Vividha Varna Yuktani Bhavanti. So Patal Pushpa means rose flower we know. So here he is saying there are different colors of rose flower present. Mama Udyane I have also seen Pita Varnani. Pita Varnani means yellow color. Shweta Varnani means white color. Neela Lohit Varnani. Neela Lohit means Baingan color. That is the brinjal color which is violet. Kesar Varnani is orange color. Cha Pata Pushpani Santi. So I have seen the different types of rose colors in my place. That is Pita Varnani, Shweta Varnani, Neela Lohit Varnani, Kesar Varnani. He is saying 4 different colors. Teacher is saying Uttamam, correct. Pashyantu Hans Svetaha. And also he is pointing towards a Hans. Hans is a swan and he is saying it is to be white color. He is asking what else are white color here. Why the place you are seeing what are else are white color, he is asking. Ascharya Bakaha Shashaha. Shashaha is the rabbit. Bakaha means crane. Crane and rabbit are white color here. Then Tata Bhavataha Pravarakaram Api Shvetam. Pravarakaram means coat. So the boy the Meda is saying the coat you are wearing is also white. Api means also. So coat also white, she is saying. So what teacher is saying? Samyak sarve sasyaha anyesham cha vastranam varnam avalokyantu. So you guys also see your dresses and identify the colors what you are wearing. He is asking. He is asking the students to check and identify the colors. Next, Manjula. What's Manjul saying? Acharya. Indradhanush tu varnamayam kalu. Tatra sapta varnaha bhayavanti. So he is saying Indradhanush means rainbow. Rainbow is of multicolors. So there are 7 colors. Sapta varnaha means 7. It has 7 colors, he is saying. Shikshakaha saying yes. Sarva api nisarga bahuvarnamaya. So this earth is very colorful. Everywhere it's this Sansaraha Sundaraha, it's very beautiful. So you should know who is the artist behind this, who made this very beautiful. Tatra Varna Yojakaha Chitrakaraha Kaha, who made this much beautiful, he is asking to students. So Uchehe means loudly, all survey means all together, all students saying it to be Parameshwaraha, Parameshwaraha, it is God. So God made this earth beautiful with beautiful colors. Shikshakaha am evam mahan chitrakaraha. So he is saying yes, he is the legend painter. So this is the lesson about. Let's move on to the meaning and then to the exercise. So this is very easy, we have already saw them. Haritani means green, Parnani is leaves, Jantavaha is animals, Kagaha means birds, Varnamayaha means colorful, Shukaha is parrot, Ishta Varnaha means favorite color, for Kakaha means crow, Pikaha is cuckoo, Japa Pushpam is hibiscus, Chanchuhu is beak, Rakta red, Neelaha blue, Pitaha yellow, Pakshaha means wing, Jantushala means zoo, Patala Pushpa means rose, Shvetam is white, Neela Lohitam is purple or violet, Kesharam is saffron or orange, Patalam means pink, Hanshaha is swain, Pakaha is crane, Shashaha is rabbit, and Pravarakam means coat. So let's move on to the exercise. Patisya Adharena Prashanana Uttarani Ekapadena Likantu. Ekapadena means one word answer we have to give. Ekapadena means one word answer we have to give. Shraddha Sarvatra Kim Pashyati. So Shraddha is saying that I have seen all these things. What are all these things? She has seen the birds, animals, green leaves and the flowers. So Pushpani is flowers. Parnani is leaves. Kagaha means birds and Jantavaha means animals. So she have seen all these things. Shukaha kena varnena shobhate. Shukaha means parrot. So parrot is of what color? Parrot is of green color. So harita varnena. Shraddhayaha ishta varneka. So teacher said, I think your favorite color is something. What is that color? It is haritaha, green color. Kaha mahan chitrakaraha. Who is the greatest artist? Parameshwaraha. Aditya kan drishtama ishchati. What Aditya want to see? He wished to see the different colors of Shukaha. So Charitra Varnaha Shukaha. Okay. Patasya Adharena Prashanana Mutrani Purna Vakyena Likantu. Ekapadena means one word. Purna Vakyena means we have to write as a sentence. Asharasya Pravarakasya Varnaha Kaha. So he is asking to what is the color of the coat. The teacher wore a coat. No, what is the color of the coat? Acharasya Pravarakasya. Pravarakasya means coat is of what color? Acharasya Pravarasya Varnaha Shvetaha Asti. So it is a white color. कुत्र विविधेषु वर्णेषु पाटलपुष्पाणि सन्ति? Who said he have seen different colors of roses? So Manjulaha said he have seen different types of colors of roses. So Manjulasya udyana vividha varneshu पाटलपुष्पाणि सन्ति. So kim bahuvarnasyam iti Manjulasya abhiprayah. So what he said has different colors. What he have seen of different colors. One is of Patala Pushpam, that is the roses. Another one, in the end of the conversation, he says that he knows different colors in same place, that is the Indra Pushpam. Indra Dhanush. So that is the rainbow. So Indra Dhanushaha Bahu Varnamayam iti Manjulasya Abhaprayam Asti. So he said it to be rainbow. Chitra Varnashukaha Kridashaha Bhavanti. What is of Chitravarna Shukaha. Shukaha means what? Shukaha means parrot. Chitravarna Shukaha means it is Panchavarna parrot. That is the different types of colors are there, no parrots. So what are the colors is explained in the chapter. The colors explained are Neelaha, Pitaha, Raktaha. So Chitravarna Shukanam Pakshaha. Pakshaha means feather is of Neelaha, Pitaha, Raktaha cha Bhavanti. Kasya kasya varnaha krishnaha. So what are the things are in black color? Kakasya pakasya cha varnaha krishnaha bhavanti. So cuckoo and crow are in black color. So we know the colors. We have to give the name of the colors and some example. Rakta Varnaha means red color. Neela Varnaha is blue color. Krishna Varnaha is black color. Harit Varnaha is green color. Peet Varnaha is yellow color. Shweta Varnaha means white color. Patal Varnaha means rose color. Neela Lohitaha means purple or violet. Next, we have to give the color of the national flag. Upari dash varnaha asti. What is in the top color? Kesar varnaha. What is in the middle? Madhya. What is the color in the middle? Madhya means middle. Is shvetaha. Adhya means in the end. What is the color? It is haritaka. What is the color in the center? Dvajasi kendre dash varnaha asti. Neelaha. It is the neelaha. Next. Keshanam varnaha kaha. Keshanam means hair. What is the color of hair? Hair color is Krishnaha. So black color. Akashya varnaha kaha. What is the color of the sky? It is blue color. Neelaha. Kadali falasya varnaha kaha. Fal means it is the fruit. Kadali means banana. What is the color of banana? Pitaha. Yellow. Trinasya vargaha kaha. So Trinasya means grass. What is the color of the grass? Haritaha. So Mahipashya Varnaha Kaha. So what is the color of Mahipashya? It's Krishnaha, buffalo. What is the color of buffalo? It is black. Mayurasya Varnaha Kaha. What is the color of peacock? Peacock is Charit Varnaha. And the next one is they have given the color. You have to color it, and based on the color given, it's just a trial exercise. This is about the lesson. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to Zest2Learn. Share with your friends who are in need of English explanation for the Sanskrit lesson. We have separate playlist for the Sanskrit classics Deepakam. Subscribe to Zest2Learn. Thank you.